Libby, can you say dog? Can you say dog? Do you have a cough? Do you have a cough, Libby? Oh no, you have a cough? Are you sick, little girl? You have a cough? Oh no, Libby's got a cough. Can you say dog? Good girl. Where's your dog? Where's your dog? Get it. Oh, good girl. Can you give your dog sugars? That's a cow. Can you say bye? Do you have a cough? Oh no.